And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $73.59, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is a narrow pattern forming, so chances are very high that we can see if the price started going below a level of around 73.5 and goes towards a level of 71, we will see that it can break this particular zone, and chances of going towards a level of 68 we can see. And once started falling below 68, we can see a level of 63 also, which is its low. So there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. So keep that in mind, that as soon as the price started going below 71, chances of touching 68 we can see, and then from there a level of 63. Okay, but if the price sustain, what we can see, suppose if it sustain above this level, a probability that if it sustain above a level of 76.8, which is a strong resistance, so we can see it can bounce back towards higher side and can go towards a level of 78.85, and then there is a probability that it can go towards 80.4, and then a further upside movement we can see towards high, and then we can see yes, trend can towards an upside we can see. So chances of going towards 84 also we can see, and then we will see there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. Okay, understand this. Now if you look at the dollar index, I have clearly explained you dollar index is trying to go higher, but this trend can be for a limited period. Okay, because we have seen overall trend is downside and a clear pattern is forming, U pattern is forming. So if the price started falling below a level of 100.9, a further downfall we can see in dollar index, which will in turn reduce the price of crude also. Okay, but if the price keep moving above a level of 101.9, and then a further upside towards 102 also we can see, and it keeps sustaining this level, we can see the dollar index will started going higher, and then the crude price will come down. Okay, so you have to understand, but sometime what happened, both dollar index and crude moves in same direction. Okay, so if this happen, I have to put the SL and trail your SL. Okay, and if this trailing your SL will happen, so you have to, that will save your profit, and trailing it happen, then it will save your capital. These two things you have to do. Okay, now what you have to look at this particular chart, that I have told you 101.5, if it keeps sustaining, a further upside, and if started going below 100.9, a further fall we can see, and it can go below 100 also. Coming back on the crude price, what we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, probability is high, yes, it will not sustain, can go towards $72.92, and once started falling below this level, chances of crossing a level of 71.61 will be there. As soon as the price started falling below 71.61, we can see it will touch a level of $70. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of 68.9. Suppose if the price started falling below 68.9, chances of touching 67.9 will be there, and this is the zone where the price is moving. So once started falling below this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $66.72, and from there a further fall we can see towards $64.73, and then it can move towards a level of $63.95, which is its low of this particular zone. So we can see a further fall if the price started going below this level. The movement we have seen in the crude price is good as of now, because we have seen a good volatility. Okay, and we can see this year to 2024 there can be a good volatility in the movement of crude. Okay, now suppose if it form a swing and started sustaining above this level, then the next resistance we can see coming at a level of around $75.75, and if that sustain, we can see it can cross a level of 77.28. Suppose if the price moving above this level, it can cross a level of $77.70. Okay, and then it will cross a level of $78.8, which is already being tested. So chances of crossing that level we can see, and it can touch a level of $80.28. Okay, suppose if the price moving above that particular zone, we can see it will cross a level of around 83.28, which is also being tested, and then it will touch a level of 84.61. You have to keep it in mind, as soon as the price started going above 80, we can see a level of 84 also, and then there will be a zone breakout towards a level of around 84.61, and can cross a level of 87.9, which is also being tested. So further upside we can see in the price of crude. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe.